guys, it's me, Quayla. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe right now. If you're not new to my channel, comment down below if you have any of these items that we are about to haul. And don't forget to just say, hey, hello, how you doing? And like this video as well. You guys also share this video if you find it interesting or helpful. Let's get started. So today I'm gonna be doing a haul. I got some new products and I wanted to share it with you guys really quickly before we start trying and testing these out. I'm actually wearing a new foundation today that I'm gonna be testing out for you guys. Probably release this on my next video, so I'll probably have this edited and released for you guys on the next show. So I went ahead and ordered some new foundations because I am in deep need of some new foundations, girl. So last night I went and picked up the Super Stay by Maybelline. I wanted to give this a try. I've heard a couple things about it, heard a lot of people say some stuff about it. I saw some coupons and it's history after that. So today, that's the foundation that I'm actually trying. I'll be making a video for this for you guys to see how I like it. This is actually, I picked up the Warm Coconut. I was trying to decide between this and Mocha, and I ended up going with the Warm Coconut. So I'll let you guys know what I think about that. I picked up two of the Born This Way foundations. I picked up Chai and I picked up Mahogany. I ordered these online, so that's why I was like, let me just get two of these and hopefully they match, girl, because I don't even know. Like, I never tried this foundation, never tested it, never swatched it in store, so I have no clue what I'm getting myself into. Hopefully one of them works. If not, take it back, try again. You guys know how Jackie Ida is my boo, okay? So I heard that she had something to do with helping some new shades, so I was like, well, let's give it a try. Thank you, Jackie. So we're gonna give this a try. I'm actually going to be sharing it with you guys while I try it out, see which one I like. I also picked up the Born This Way Super Coverage Concealer, and I messed up with this one. When I was online, I was looking at it, I was so ready to choose Mocha, and then for some reason, I went and did some researching or whatever, and I started researching Mocha for this, and it wasn't really showing me the results that I ultimately ended up needing in order to choose the right shade. So I ended up deciding to go with Sand. I don't think that Sand is the right color for me. I think it's too light. I think the Mocha was the correct one, but for some reason I got swayed on to something else. So here we are. What I'll do is I'll give it a try. If it doesn't work out, I'll go trade it. I don't know, we'll figure it out. I'm gonna give it a try at least, see what I think about it, and of course I will share my results with you guys. I like to get those, HSN has a lot of deals, and they be having these like packages where you can get like mascara ×4 or whatever. So I picked up one of the sets that they have. This was the roller lash where you got the mini and the full, and so I went ahead and picked that up because I really like the roller lash mascara. Actually, this set came with another one also. It also came with the They're Real. So it came with the roller lash full and mini, and then it came with the They're Real full and mini as well. I've been using the hell out of this They're Real. I picked up Benefits, a package by Benefit, which came with the Precisely My Brow, as well as their brow setter. I've never tried the brow setter, but I did like the Precisely My Brow. When I previously tried it, it actually ran out on me and I was like, ugh, I was so through with life. Like I had no other option. It's like after you go from Precisely My Brow, you cannot go back to like the drugstore. It won't work unless you find like Precisely My Brow, like something that's really thin like this. This is really thin. You can get hair-like strokes, and with the spoolie on the side and then the thin brush, it just really works. So I decided, let me go ahead and get the package with the 24-hour brow setter. Let's see how we like that. So I'll be trying that and sharing it with you guys as well because I've never tried this and you might find something you like. Let's try it together, okay? So last and final, you know when you just run out of something and you didn't even know you was running out of it, girl? I ran out of my black Radiance pressed powder. Now these are holy grail for me, drugstore or not, okay? These are holy grail for me. I love these. Ebony is the one that I love for my contour, and I actually today on my face I used Rich Mahogany, but I think I'm gonna go back and get another one of Ebony and just use that as my pressed powder as well. For my contour, these babies do the job, baby. They do everything. I love them. That's pretty much it, guys, on my haul today. I wanted to share something with you guys because I've been missing my YouTube channel so much. So I wanted to make a video that was just about what this channel started as, which is beauty, and I'm gonna be having some hair tutorials coming up. I got a crochet style. I did one on Sania recently, and she's been rocking out for about a month or so. So it's almost time for us to do her hair again. So you guys are gonna like that. And I have a tutorial. I made my first wig that I'm wearing right now. I made it several months, like a long time ago, but I can finally edit the video now. I'm so excited about that because I can make more content for you guys. I can make it faster, pump, and get back to my YouTube schedule that I had previously set. I'm really excited. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and I will see you guys next time. I'm so excited to share more content with you guys. So subscribe, like, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.